This video I am going to design corporate business card. So without further waiting, let's start it. But before this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. First, go to the file and new option. Now we are going to take the size of the business card first, and this is width 3.5 in inches. You can change inches pixel from here, and height should be 2, and we have to take up landscape mode. And although we need two artboard, but here we can only take one artboard. And then we have to select bleed for printing purpose. We have to add 0.125 inches bleed, and then go to advanced option and then select CMYK or RGB color. CMYK is specifically for printing purpose, so let's select that option. And resolution should be 300 dpi for sharp printing. Okay, and then click on create button. I already have this size, so I'm going to design on this. Control plus 0 for fit to screen, and then control plus minus sign for zoom in and zoom out. Okay, and then now let's start it. We have to take a rectangle tool first and draw it like this, and then you can select any color, but here I'm going to design a front page first like this. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add logo here, and you can add any logo here. I'm going to write logo design and then make some changes on it like this. Here it is. What I'm going to do, first I'm going to change the typo style, and then we will do further changes like this. You can select any font, it's up to you, but it has to be clear or understandable. Okay, I think this one looks good. Take it Aladdin regular. I'm taking Aladdin regular, and let me increase the size of it for now. You can adjust it later as well. I think we don't need to increase any kind of. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to effect and then go to wrap option and go to arc, and then select the horizontal mode, and blend or should be 30%, and here you can see, and then press OK. Here is our design. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in between here, and then here is our logo as well. Where is our logo? Okay, here is our logo on this page. You can find these logos online for practice purpose, otherwise your company will provide you their logo. Okay, like this. Little bit more and just adjust it here, little bit here. And now what I'm going to do is, let me first group this so I can do my work easily like this, and group it and little bit increase the size like this, and select this option, again this option, and then align it to center. No, just align it to center like this. Now I'm going to change the color of this text as well like this. Okay, it looks totally perfect. Let me change the color of this as well, because I don't like gradient on it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this, group it, and then put it to center of our artboard. Let me increase the size so you can see it, what I'm doing here like this. Let me do it one more time. Again select it again select it, press. Okay, I forget to press. It looks totally perfect, and little bit here. No, it's already fine. Okay, now our first page is ready. Let me check the print version of it first. Go to file menu, exit and select save for web option like this. It looks totally perfect, but we have to add little bit something here so it looks more professional than what should I add here? Okay, we will add it later, but for now we are going to design our second page. Again go to file menu, new, and then again take the same size and then create it. Okay, you can even, let me tell you something, you can even go select this artboard option and then press alt and then just drag it like this to the side of this corner like this. Okay, understand? So but for, because my video is for everyone, so those who are beginners, so that's why I have selected new size from here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to again draw a rectangle tool. Let me first close this so I can do my work easily here, and then just drag it like this. Okay, now what our next step is, I'm going, my color palette is here. I'm going to select this box. Okay, this box, copy and paste it here like this. Now little bit what I'm going to do, zoom out, control minus, control plus minus, and then put it here, and then take a eyedropper tool and then like this. Okay, totally understand? Or you can, no, it looks totally perfect, you can even change little bit darker as well, so it will match our scheme. Okay, this looks perfect. Okay, what I'm going to do is here, now in this page we have to add all the details. We have it like phone number, address and everything, we have to add it. Okay, but first let me add logo here again, but this time what I'm going to do is I have to put logo here. Okay, we will adjust it later here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to align it as usual like this and like this. Little bit we have to do this with arrow keys rest of the work, and then here is our the details. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these details here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color of it. Okay, our color is different than our, okay, okay, I don't want this, I just want to change the color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and this color and then take it, cancel it, take 1 2 3 and 4, and then just what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it. Okay, now it's time to change the color of this box. Ungroup it, and then what I'm going to do is select this here, that's it, and then whatever next step is change the color of this as well like this, and that's it. Again whatever next step is, you can see it, our mailing icon is not correct, so I'm going to draw it. Now I'm going to draw a mailing icon, as our mailing icon was not corrected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rectangle tool and draw a box like this. like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pen tool. Let me zoom in and so you can see it what I'm doing here. For now we are going to click here and then press it here, center of the center of our artboard, and then press escape and then again click here and again center of the artboard. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, escape, and then select this one by pressing shift. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give some color and make sure the color is not showing anywhere in your artboard. Okay, you have to take different color than your artboard colors. Okay, then take it and then change into stroke and then increase the size of the stroke. Where is it, our stroke option? If you don't find your stroke option, then go to Windows and then here you will find your stroke option. Then increase the stroke option and then again take a pen tool and then same, click here, here, and then again escape and then again click here and then again escape here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this and this and then again select this color and change. Okay, here is our color is ready. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this whole box. Sorry, let me lock this layer. Now I'm going to select this box and take a pathfinder tool and click, press alt and click here, sorry, click on the line. Okay, click on the line only like this and little bit here. Okay, this is, no, this is fine. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one and this one, this one and this one, and then join it like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to little bit round this one as well. And then whatever next step is, select the whole box, go to object, expand it, and then only select stroke and then click OK. And then go to pathfinder, click on the trim button and then go to magic wand and click on here. Sorry, I have to select it the whole box first and then select the whole box, go to trim option and then go to magic wand and select this box and then click it. Here is our box. And then when I put this here, let me group it first and then like this. And then here is our size of our mailing box. When I put here and change the color, you will see it. Let me change the color. Okay, here is our color. Now I am going to change the color of this as well. You can check my video as well. I have made it the detailed video about the icons, then you can check that video and watch it. Okay, I have selected the round box. Like this, and then again select this one. Okay, now this and this is perfect now. Then what our next step is, ungroup it again, this one as well and this one as well, and we will change the color now like this, change it like this. Okay, by the way, we have to select the base color here, and then again change the color here and change the color here as well. Okay, it takes some time, but you have to do it at any cost. Okay, like this. Okay, now let me close this one and everything. Okay, now our design is almost ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in like this and little bit here like this. Now I'm going to take a pencil tool and draw a line like this, little bit more here like this, and give color to this line stroke, and then increase the stroke size little bit. I think, let me check if it is look good or not. Let me just select it and set the alignment of it. Totally. Now I'm going to add some design in our front page. What I'm going to do, take a ellipse tool and then just draw a small circle with the help of shift key like this, and then take a selection tool and then right click and go to arrange, and then bring it to front and give color to. Now I'm going to bring it to front. First, right click it, go to arrange, and then bring it to front. Now take a copy of this, press Alt and drag it like this. You will get a copy of it, and then press Ctrl plus D like this. And then what I'm going to do, first I'm going to lock this rectangle layer, and then just again take a copy of this like this. Take a copy of this. Yes, again one more. It's up to you how many copies do you want or circle do you want. Like this, I think two would be enough. I think three, we have to take three looks fine. And then what our next step is, you can see it look perfectly fine. Then select it, and we are going to take a copy of this design or dots, you can say. And then what our next step is to decrease the opacity of these circles like this. Take it and then decrease it to 40 or to 45, in between 40 to 45, and we will do the same thing with this one as well like this. Now our front page looks more appropriate and prominent for our corporate business card design. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rectangle tool again, and any color you can take it. And then what I'm going to do it to make sure that all the layers are unselected, unlocked. So press Ctrl Alt plus 2, and then press Ctrl A, and then left click it. Make sure everything is select and unlocked. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right click and go make clipping mark. Now you can see it, all the extra parts has been deleted now, and we will do the same thing with this design as well, with our back page as well. Take a rectangle tool again like this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure then everything has unlocked. What I'm going to do is press Ctrl or plus 2, and then Ctrl plus A, and then left click and press make clipping mark. Now our board sizes are ready. Now it's time to add mockup, and now I'm going to speed up my video.